Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you are using the classic Outlook and have been unable to drag and drop emails to folders, then just to let you know that you're not alone, and this has actually been an issue that Microsoft has acknowledged recently. Now, we are talking about classic Outlook and not the new Outlook, so just be aware of that. And the issue was, according to Microsoft, that after installing the January 2025 Windows non-security preview update and subsequent updates on devices running Windows 11 version 24H2, so this is only affecting Classic Outlook on 24H2. Microsoft said that you may find that you are unable to drag and drop emails or calendar items to folders in Classic Outlook. Now, these are the two updates that Microsoft is referring to that started causing the issues. The first was the update that rolled out on the 28th, 29th of January, depending on your region, KB5050094. So that was January's optional bug fix C release update. And then the update that rolled out 11th, 12th February, depending on your region, KB5051987. And this was our mandatory compulsory Patch Tuesday security update that rolled out earlier this month on the second Tuesday. So if you were experiencing drag and drop issues in Classic Outlook, then just to let you know that the issue has been fixed with this update, KB5052093. And I actually mentioned this briefly in the video I posted on this update, which rolled out earlier this week. And I'll leave this update video link down below and in the end screen. So the issue is fixed in the February 25th, 2025 Windows update for Windows 11 version 24H2. And that will also be relevant to the OS build 26100.3323. So if you haven't installed this update, which I don't suggest you do unless you have experienced issues with your system. So if you haven't installed this update and you have had issues in Classic Outlook with dragging and dropping emails to folders, then do yourself a favor, get this update sooner than later, because obviously it will address those issues according to Microsoft. So just putting it out there if you were affected using Classic Outlook. And just remember, this is affecting Classic Outlook, not the new Outlook, and it's only relevant to Windows 11 24H2. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.